Welcome back to Quinty's TV. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome, and to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? Well, I'm Quinty and I make videos on natural hair and food. So I am a natural hair and food YouTuber. Please endeavor to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to get notified. So today I will be showing you guys how I used PERMRODS on my hair. If you want to see the outcome or the result of this, please keep watching. So guys, yeah, welcome again. I am actually using this for the very first time ever. So guys, what you will be needing for this, first of all, my hair, as you all know, I have 4C hair. So the first thing I had to do was to blow dry my hair a little bit. This hair has been blow dried. Let me show you guys. So you see that the hair has been blow dried. If you have real 4C hair and you want to use flexi rods, I think the first thing you have to do is to blow dry your hair a little bit or stretch your hair. I also have a video showing you guys 3 ways I stretch or straighten my hair without heat. But for those who have 4B, 4A, you necessarily don't need a straightening method because I think your hair is already too fine and the curls will come out without any pull. The next thing is this comb, this very tiny comb, so that you comb your hair well, because when you want to use the flexi rods, you also want to make sure that your hair is not tangled up, it has less frizzes. So this reduces the frizzes as much as possible. And we also have the Denman brush, or the naturalistas, this brush, right? It's also very good in detangling. So I'll be using this too. As for the stylers, we are going to use the mousse. Very, very important. And here with me, I have the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Mousse. That's how it looks like. And thereafter, I'm going to apply the Argan Heat Protector Smooth and Shine Polisher Oil. And guys, I want to be funky, okay? I'm going to use my pink color to boost out the... I also have a video on my channel talking on how I apply this on my hair. I did a review of this. In case you want to try that out, I have a video. It's not a permanent color, so you just want to dye your hair just for fun and then you wash it out. It comes out without any stress. So that's how it looks like. That's the name. And inside it looks like this. So let me just put this. I like to start with the back section. So guys, let's start with this. Guys, so I'm going to use the Ant Jackie Defining Curl
with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
So guys, here is the next day and we are going to go ahead and undo it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's see how this is going to turn out to be. Oh my goodness.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away.
Oh, one more thing, if you don't want it to be haphazard, you can always fix it by just turning it the same direction. You know, it's going to fix. You see, now it's straight, so it just depends on you. So everything is following the same pattern straight, but then if you just undo it anyhow, it becomes haphazard. But if you don't want it that way, you can always fix it by just rolling it gradually. See, it's not straight, but then you can just see what I'm doing, just turn it gradually in that same direction in which you twisted it. Just turn it and then it's going to be fixed. Look at that. As easy as it is. Yeah, just pull it in, just turn it. Yeah, very easy. So as we can see, the top section of my hair is loose. So in case you don't want it like that, you have to keep rolling firmly till you reach the scalp. So, but I didn't want it that way. I just wanted the top section to be a bit low. So the next thing now is to separate it, because you have to create some volume. I don't know if some people like that, but you have to separate it. So like 4 or 3 times. But the behind section, the ones behind, I separated just 2 times because they were smaller. Okay, so guys, that's actually what you need to do next.